Dry, sensitive skin with a compromised barrier loses moisture rapidly, leading to irritation, redness, and discomfort. CERAMYD Moisturizer, scientifically formulated to restore barrier function and replenish hydration in sensitive skin. 1% ceramide complex strengthens the skin barrier and prevents moisture loss. CICA promotes skin regeneration and soothes irritation. Tricalmin reduces redness and supports barrier repair. Goat milk extract provides gentle hydration, exfoliation, and pH balance. Developed with chronobiology science, CERAMYD is designed for skin that needs expert barrier repair and long-lasting hydration. Designed for dermatological care, CERAMYD Moisturizer supports optimal skin barrier health.